everyone, I'm Shinta and welcome to my video. So in this video I want to explain about the application that can help us to improving our English skills. So firstly, I made this video is for my final exam for technology enhanced language learning courses, and I should made the video about explaining the applications. So and next, let's start to introduce the applications. So the application name is LINGUALEO or English with LINGUALEO. English with LINGUALEO or LINGUALEO is the best site for learning the language because this site is designed in the form of the game, and therefore it will be easier for you to learn English language. By the way, this site contains different language. That's why you can choose your preferred language and learn it by yourself. And also, you can check your level on this website, and if you already know your level, you can click on your respective level and begin study the new material. So there are 4 skills that can improving your English skills if you learn from the application. Firstly is listening, second is reading, third is grammar, fourth is writing. For grammar itself, you can learn about tenses and what the rules of tenses. And for writing, you can write the exercise from the application, because there are a lot of exercise in this application. It's like a TOEFL grammar, not TOEFL, After you write about the exercise, you can check your answer and improve your knowledge. In listening skills, in the LINGUALEO you can find a lot of music clips which you want. You choose clips or of one of the most popular singer in LINGUALEO. After you're watching the video clip about from your favorite singer, from that video you can improve your listening skills and then practicing. I forget for vocabulary and pronunciation in this application. You can improving your vocabulary skill and pronunciation skills. For vocabulary skills, you can go to your dictionary, final words of this section, and listen their pronunciations. And after a full examination of the words, you can train your knowledge with special exercise. For advantage and disadvantage. For disadvantages first, there's no section of communications. For advantage, hug present of video, presence of test after each section of language learning, and the last, present of different active games for learning new words. So let's move to second section, how to use the application itself. Firstly, you can download the application from Google Play Store and install it. After you install the application, you should sign in for the application with email or Facebook, but I used email. And then you can choose the level, like a beginner, intermediate, and so on. And then you can choose the language, but I choose Russian language. Yeah, so let's start. So yeah. Vocabulary for Leo, daily plain, like vocabulary, reading. For vocabulary, father. You can choose one as the father. Check it. No! Oh my god. This is wrong. I'm sorry. And reading. Oh my god, I should get premium. For grammar, yeah, theory, imperative mood. Grammar courses. For grammar courses, imperative mood, like give me the book please, open the window please. Next. Oh, previous, sit down, speak louder. Close the window please, like this. Okay. Previous, it's for courses. Nah. In the reviews, I choose beginner. Yeah, and this is model lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can choose one. Okay, I think, yeah, it's for premium. In practice, imperative mood, it's premium. Reading is premium. So yeah, I think it's enough for how to use the application. Okay, thank you. So how about this video? I hope this video can be useful. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.